Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Aegis 2023 new laceless lazy fashion safety shoes here. The one that looks really cool, isn't it? Oh yeah. Aegis safety shoes are the most comfortable steel-toe work boot that celebrate the athletic ability and mobility of the workers who keep our world running. Oh yeah. These modern athletic work shoes are lightweight and flexible. They're only 1 pound in weight. With the durability we have come to expect from Aegis footwear. No need to tie shoes anymore. European steel toe cap is included, baby. We adjust the elasticity at any time. Oh yeah, and so easy. We only have to use a ratchet function on it. If we like to close the shoes around our feet, it's really easy. We have to rotate clockwise. That is a ratchet function included, and it will close it, and it lets the shoes on your feet easily, and you does not have to make a loop or something else. To release it, you have to pull on the mechanism itself, and then it is unleashed again. And then you can remove the foot, not the foot, or you can, of course, you can remove the foot out of the shoe again. And it's made from durable steel, not the entire shoe, of course. Only the plate in front of it. And this will get you a lot of protection things. With fine adjustment, by turning it fully protects our toes. It takes place and it ensures a comfortable against crushing and dropping some stuff on your foot. It fits for the last dressing and undressing object. It's a flexible, it's stretchy. Flexible composition helps distribute the weight evenly throughout to spread the foot. Lightweight rubber sole, strong grip, non-slip and wear resistant. Accompanies our safety. The WIN puncture resistance, military grade material, protects our feet from workplace hazards and in the environment. Less than 1 pound ultralight material flexes the tired arms feet before and for a long work shift for us. It will protect us the day and another day and so many days if we have a hard shift in front of us. And it's an important choice to wear a steel toe boot, because a steel toe boot or a safety boot or a steel capped boot or steel toe caps or a safety shoe itself, this is a durable boot or a shoe that has a protective reinforcement in the toe which protects the foot from falling objects or compressions. The safety shoes are effective in keeping the fit or the industrial worker safe from sharp and heavy objects while working in factories, for example. All such traditionally made of steel, the reinforcement can also be made of a composite material. In this case here, it's a steel plate. But it is so lightweight, that's really cool. And it looks so modern, as you can see. It's a high fashion shoe with a really cool function on it. You can open it and close it without using a loop to tie it. The safety footwear now comes in many styles, including sneakers, clogs, and dress shoes. Some are quite formal for supervising engineers who must visit site where protective footwear is mandatory. and you can find so many more nice safety shoes on the Aegis homepage. You will find nice model there, but you have to look. This is the size of it means I'm a 46 wearer. The size is 46 in my normal work shoes, but here I have to choose the 47. Mine is 45 or 46. This is around about the standard way in European measurement. But if you buy this shoe or the shoes from Aegis, you have to look because they are so small, a little bit smaller than standard way. So you have to buy it one or two sizes larger than it's necessary for you. But then it will matches to your shoes or to your feet easily, and then you can work really good with that shoes here. That looks really cool, and they make a good job to protect your foot from dropping objects or from sharp objects which comes from the bottom or from the upper position and drop on your shoes again. These are the Aegis new 2023 new laceless lazy fashion safety shoes, and they look really cool because they're makes a modern design and they makes a good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.